Used to pull down my sleeves, used to put makeup on, so everyone would think I'm fine and nothing's wrong. I buried all the pain, used to feel so ashamed of all the things I wrote about myself with razor blades. But I kept holding on until the final page. Survive the story, cause the ending changes everything. And now I wear my scars just like tattoos, because I'm so damn proud of what they put me through. I learned without a doubt every mark that makes you feel worthless can give you a purpose. And now I wear my scars just like tattoos, cause I'm a miracle. Every cut is proof, another chapter written in the story. What couldn't kill me made me something so brave. I wear them like tattoos. I held my story down, I swallowed every scream. Thought if I wasn't fake, they'd think that I'm a freak. I buried all the pain, used to feel so ashamed, until I learned that you can't change the past, just choose the frame. So I'll keep writing songs until they know that name, cause there's a kid out there that's hearing this, that's in that place. And now I wear my scars just like tattoos, because I'm so damn proud of what they put me through. I learned without a doubt every mark that makes you feel worthless can give you a purpose. And now I wear my scars just like tattoos, cause I'm a miracle. Every cut is proof, another chapter written in the story. What couldn't kill me made me something so brave. I wear them like tattoos. What is morphia? I will not grieve the darkest days that made a masterpiece. I choose to celebrate what made me me, cause a heart of gold, no it don't come cheap. In this heart of gold, one the world will need. And now I wear my scars just like tattoos, because I'm so damn proud of what they put me through. I learned without a doubt every mark that makes you feel worthless can give you a purpose. And now I wear my scars just like tattoos, cause I'm a miracle. Every cut is proof, another chapter written in the story. What couldn't kill me made me something so brave. I wear them like tattoos.